Charcoal grills are readily available for cooking outdoors, but they are subject to considerable abuse and vandalism in public parks and campgrounds. In this video, we will attempt to demonstrate some differences between the Pilot Rock charcoal grill and a competitor. Charcoal grills may look the same, but there can be big differences in how they are built. Here we are comparing a Pilot Rock Premier Series charcoal grill with our infinitely adjustable cooking grate and a competitor's copy. This man weighs 285 pounds and he cannot damage our cooking grate. The other brand's charcoal grill is designed to look the same as a Pilot Rock grill, but is made using lighter weight and lesser quality materials. As you can see, the imitation grill's design and construction does not withstand even minor vandalism. This means it most likely won't hold up to normal use in your parks. At R.J. Thomas Manufacturing, we invented and patented the original infinitely adjustable cooking grate. Over the years, we have had many companies try to copy our design at a cheaper price, but cheaper isn't always better. A lesser charcoal grill will be damaged more quickly in your park or campground, and it may become totally unusable by any camper, so it would have to be replaced at extra expense to you. R.J. Thomas Manufacturing Company has over 60 years of manufacturing experience serving public parks and campgrounds, and we would love the opportunity to serve you.